The National Electrical Code, or NEC, contains information relevant to portable Carnival equipment and fire pump supply conductors. Specifically, Section 525.23 addresses portable Carnival equipment. This section covers several important aspects. Firstly, requirements for portable generators and switchboards are outlined. This includes details on their proper setup and operation to ensure safety. Secondly, grounding and bonding requirements are specified. Grounding and bonding are critical for preventing electrical shock hazards and ensuring that equipment faults are safely cleared. Thirdly, circuit protection is addressed. This section details the necessary overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, to protect the electrical system from overloads and short circuits. Fourthly, wiring methods are discussed. This section specifies the types of wiring and installation practices that are permitted for portable Carnival equipment. Moving on to fire pump supply conductors, Section 695.12 of the NEC provides relevant information. Firstly, the size and rating of conductors are addressed. This specifies the minimum conductor size required to carry the necessary current for the fire pump, taking into account voltage drop and other factors. Secondly, installation methods are detailed. This includes information on how the conductors should be installed, such as in conduit or cable trays, and any special requirements for their protection. Thirdly, grounding and bonding are covered. As with Carnival equipment, proper grounding and bonding are essential for fire pump supply conductors to ensure electrical safety. Fourthly, overcurrent protection is addressed. This section specifies the type and size of overcurrent protection devices needed to protect the conductors and equipment from overloads and short circuits. The NEC is updated regularly, so always refer to the latest edition for the most current requirements. Ensuring compliance with these code sections is crucial for the safe and reliable operation of both portable Carnival equipment and fire pumps. Section 525.23 encompasses various requirements. These include portable generators, switchboards, grounding, bonding, circuit protection, and acceptable wiring methods for Carnival equipment. Section 695.12 provides details on fire pump supply conductors covering size, rating, installation, grounding, bonding, and overcurrent protection. The NEC aims to mitigate electrical hazards. Portable Carnival equipment operates under unique conditions, frequently being set up and dismantled. Therefore, the grounding, bonding, and wiring methods must adhere to specific guidelines. This ensures the safety of both operators and the public. Fire pumps, on the other hand, serve a critical life safety function. The reliability of their power supply is paramount. Section 695.12 addresses this by specifying robust requirements for the conductors supplying power to these pumps. Correct conductor sizing is critical. Undersized conductors can lead to voltage drop, causing the fire pump to operate inefficiently or fail to start. Installation methods must protect the conductors from physical damage and environmental factors such as moisture and temperature extremes. Overcurrent protection must be carefully selected to protect the conductors and equipment while allowing the fire pump to start and run under various load conditions. Grounding and bonding are essential for both types of equipment. Proper grounding provides a low impedance path for fault currents, helping to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Bonding ensures that all metallic parts are electrically connected, further reducing the risk of voltage differences. When working with electrical equipment, it is always crucial to consult the latest edition of the NEC. Also, local codes and regulations can have additional requirements, so it is important to be aware of those as well. Proper training and experience are also essential for working with electrical equipment safely. If you are not qualified, you should not attempt to perform electrical work. Always follow safe work practices and use appropriate personal protective equipment. When dealing with portable Carnival equipment, consider that it's frequently moved and reconfigured. This necessitates robust wiring methods that can withstand repeated handling and environmental exposure. Grounding and bonding are critical due to the public's proximity. Ensure that all equipment is properly grounded to protect against electrical shock hazards. Circuit protection must be appropriate for the loads being served. Overcurrent devices should be sized to protect the wiring and equipment without nuisance tripping. For fire pump supply conductors, reliability is the utmost priority. The conductors must be sized to handle the pump's inrush current and continuous running load. Installation methods must ensure the conductors are protected from fire and physical damage. A separate service or feeder is often required to ensure the fire pump has a reliable power supply. Overcurrent protection must be coordinated to allow the fire pump to start and run under all expected conditions. In addition to the NEC requirements, fire pump installations often have specific requirements dictated by local building codes and the authority having jurisdiction. Familiarize yourself with these requirements before starting any work. Always conduct a thorough inspection of any electrical equipment before energizing it. Look for any signs of damage, wear, or improper installation. Correct any issues before placing the equipment into service. Regular maintenance is also essential to ensure the continued safe and reliable operation of electrical equipment. This includes inspecting wiring, connections, and overcurrent devices. If you encounter any unfamiliar situations or have any questions, consult with a qualified electrical inspector or engineer. Remember, electrical safety is paramount. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical equipment. The NEC provides a comprehensive set of rules and guidelines for electrical installations. Understanding and following these rules is essential for ensuring the safety of people and property. Sections 525.23 and 695.12 are just two small parts of the NEC, but they are important for the specific types of equipment they address. Always refer to the complete NEC and any applicable local codes for complete information.